Hello viewers, this is Mritul here. I'll be covering 11 modules, so let me walk you through that. Module 1 will be of Introduction to the SQL Server. Module 2 will be Installation and Environment Setup. Module 3 of defining the SQL data types. Module 4 will be Data Definition Language commands, and 5 will be Data Control Language commands. 6 will be data query language commands, then 7 will be data manipulation commands, then 8 will be advanced query concepts, module 9 will be practice resources, 10 would be mostly Microsoft SQL Server certification links and related content maybe. Module 11 I'll be covering couple of interview tips that would be great for you for the interviews. Yeah. That's it. Thank you.